Feeling bloated, tired, or just off? Your gut might be the root of it all. But here's the crazy part. One simple drink, yes, just one, could flip the switch and get you feeling better fast. And no, it's not a trendy detox or overpriced supplement. Stay with me. You'll want to try this by the end of the video. Fix your gut. One drink. Major change. Your gut isn't just about digestion. It's connected to your brain, your immune system, even your skin. But our modern world? It's brutal on gut health. Think about it. Ultra-processed foods, sugar, antibiotics, chronic stress, all of it strips away the good bacteria your gut needs to thrive. When that balance is off, you get symptoms. Bloating, brain fog breakouts. 4. Low energy, even anxiety and depression can be linked to an unhealthy gut. The gut controls more than you think. So how do you fix it fast? This gut-healing drink hits all the right notes. Probiotics, prebiotics, fiber, and anti-inflammatory power. Here's the recipe. 1 cup unsweetened kefir loaded with probiotics. 2. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, prebiotic fiber plus omega-3s. 3. Half a green apple, pectin, gut bacteria food. 4. A dash of cinnamon. Anti-inflammatory, balances blood sugar. 5. Half a banana, which is optional for taste and potassium. Blend everything together. That's it. Drink it on an empty stomach, in the morning or as a mild afternoon gut reset. Let's break this down. Kefir floods your gut with billions of live cultures, way more than yogurt. Chia seeds swell up and act like a broom for your intestines. Green apple feeds the good bacteria already in your system. And cinnamon? It keeps inflammation in check. You're not just improving digestion. You're rebuilding your microbiome. That's where the real change happens. Feed the good. Starve the bad. But here's what you shouldn't do. Don't use flavored kefir with added sugars. Don't expect instant results after one drink. 3. And don't keep eating gut-damaging junk while trying this. This works best as part of a balanced, gut-healthy diet that includes real foods, fiber, and hydration. Real food, real results. Stick with it daily, and here's what people report after just 7 days. Yes, just 7 days, you have heard it right. Less bloating, more energy, clearer skin, even better sleep. Because when your gut is happy, your whole body works better. It's like cleaning up your internal operating system. Try the drink. Do it for 7 days, then come back and tell us how you feel in the comments. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a gut reboot. Try it for 7 days. Subscribe for more easy health wins.